Are you looking for the best electric toothbrushes? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric toothbrushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Oral-B IO Series 2. The Oral-B IO Series 2 won as best electric toothbrush overall thanks to its combination of effective brushing, value, and simple features. Using and charging it is straightforward, and the round head makes it easy to brush the whole surface area of each tooth. As the most basic option in Oral-B's IO series line, this is the best choice we found for those looking for a brush with the key features you need: a pressure sensor and a 2-minute timer. This brush is a cinch to use. Just turn it on and toggle between 3 modes using the main button. It also features a red light to indicate if you're brushing too hard. Though this brush doesn't offer automatic shutoff, it pulses every 30 seconds to remind you to move to a different quadrant of your mouth. Number 2. Oral-B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect is the best smart toothbrush we tried, and it's worth the price if you want a higher-tech toothbrush to motivate you to brush regularly. It was the easiest smart toothbrush to use out of the ones we tested, allowing you to easily track your brushing for optimal cleaning. Using the IO Deep Clean Plus Protect toothbrush was a delight. It makes brushing feel like a luxury instead of a chore. The many customization options are intuitive, including the 5 brushing modes. Graphics on a small light-up screen on the front of the brush indicate each mode clearly and make the process of choosing a cleaning mode easier than toggling through each cycle. The IO Deep Clean Plus Protect S timer is also easy to understand, and large enough to see in a mirror or out of your peripheral vision. It shows a frowny face that gradually turns into a smiley face as you approach and then hit the 2-minute mark. Past 2 minutes, and the face yields starry eyes. The screen made brushing feel fun and like a little accomplishment. Number 3. Suri Electric Toothbrush. The Suri electric toothbrush stands out from others we tested thanks to its sustainable design. It's made to be either completely recycled or repaired. You can mail back brush heads in a bag that comes with your brush once you use 4 of them, and the company will recycle them into new brush heads. Bristles are made from castor oil, not plastic. This is a simple brush, without an app or many modes. The oblong head is easy to maneuver, and the bristles feel soft. The vibration feels light and feathery, almost tickly, compared to stronger vibrations from brushes in Oral-B's IO series. This brush is also designed for portability. The base is slender, the smallest of any we tested, and the Suri also comes with a traveling case with a sterilizing UV light. Number 4. Philips Sonicare 4100. If you want a brush with an automatic shutoff timer and a quadrant timer, go with the Philips Sonicare 4100. It's affordable and simple to use but also includes handy features, like a charging indicator light and an LED reminder when it's time to replace the brush head. If you want an affordable brush and prefer a flat and oblong brush head, this is the option we recommend. The 4100's brush head feels gentle yet effective. It's a Sonic 1, meaning its shape is oblong and flat instead of round, like you'll find on the Oral-B pics. It has a variety of bristle lengths and shapes, which makes it surprisingly good at getting into hard-to-reach spaces between teeth. It struck the best balance between being soft and still rigorous enough to make teeth feel refreshingly clean after brushing. The vibrations feel light and feathery compared to stronger pulses from the Oral-B brushes we tried. Number 5. Pro-Sys Variosonic Plus Plus. The Pro-Sys Variosonic Plus Plus brush comes with several different brush heads in a range of textures to suit a variety of needs and sensitivities. These brush heads were the softest of any we tried, and this brush may be best for those with sensitive gums and teeth. This toothbrush has 5 brush head options, all of them various versions of soft. The very softest option felt maybe too soft, and 5 different brushing modes. In total, there are 25 possible combinations, the most of any toothbrush we tested. All 5 brush heads included with the Pro-Sys Variosonic Plus Plus had the softest bristles of any brush heads we tried as well. The Sonic brush heads are flat and oblong, similar to the Philips Sonicare brushes, instead of round and small, and the brush offers a lighter, more feathery feeling.